I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and we're pre-recording. This is actually May 1st. We just had, still are, having a derby party at our house. Look what my daughter-in-law brought. This is made from scratch, delicious lemon poppy cake from scratch. This is the same daughter-in-law that ran over 26 miles in the marathon. Hey, I also just heard she came in the middle of the pack. That's a big deal. Unbelievable. Ran. They brought, also, besides the cake, they brought, oh God, I'm gonna get fatter yet. They brought Oreo cookies, and you know we love to do Oreo cookie reviews. They won't be on camera, but you don't know it. Just outside of your viewing area, I have family, and we are going to try these Oreo cookies. Okay, they are Java chip flavored cookies, coffee flavor cream, naturally and artificially flavored with chocolate chips. What the heck? Let's try these things. Oreos.
We don't have a dime in it.
Okay, is everybody ready? You don't hear it, but they're rattling their heads like this.
I can hear it.
Little camera shy. All right, everybody reach in and get one. Reach in and get a cookie. Hands are coming. Hands, more hands. Anybody else? Okay. Okay. Only one person opened it up like you're supposed to eat an Oreo, and that's my son. But I'm going to try it like this.
The coffee flavor is intense.
Oh my God, that's good. Oh my, can you hear the munching? Okay, everybody, what do you think?
I like it.
Louder?
I like it. No, that's good.
It's good. These really are good. And I wanted you to notice that Daisy is dressed for the derby, and she has her money for bidding. We had fun today. Thanks for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe. I'm going to go eat some cookies.